How to create an intense zigzag design in Affinity Photo. Go to the Tools panel and select the diamond tool. Click the document at the top and drag and create a very thin diamond. Now it's very hard to select this as a pattern design, so I'm going to create a couple of copies. So go to the Move tool and then hold down the Alt Option key and drag. And you can snap there, you can just see it snaps. Go to View menu and Snap in to make certain that's on. And then you can select Multiple. And again, hold down the Alt Option key and drag again. And you can repeat that, of course you make 8 or 9. But what you can also do, just go to Layers panel, right click and Group. And the reason for that is now I can rasterize it all into one pixel layer. So Layer and Rasterize. And as soon as you do that, you'll see it becomes pixel. You can then go over here, Layer and New Pattern Layer from Selection. And you can see the design. Now I would suggest get rid of the old one. Just select that and delete it. Because if you don't, you'll end up selecting that one and working and changing things before you realise you're not changing this. You can also go to Effects, click there, go to Outer Shadow, make certain that's selected, put the radius and offset basically in the centre and set to about 315 for the angle, but you can vary it of course. Click Close and you can see the design. But what you can also do, you move it around, you can also hold down the Alt Option key and drag. And as you do that, you get this one. Now at this point, of course, it's red as well. But what you can do, go down to Effects, click there, and you go here, Colour Overlay. Highlight that, and you can set it to black, blue, green, etc. As long as it's different from the red. And you can position it in all kinds of ways. Always just simply select the pattern and then move, reposition it. And you can also use the arrow keys as well if you want to shift it into place. So I've got this design. What I can do, I can select both. So select that, and I can resize it, I can rotate it. You can see you can manipulate that. Now that might be right at the top there. You can just rotate it at that angle or that angle and so on. But also, once you've got your design, you can use Merge Selected. The result isn't always great for some weird reason. So I would suggest simply go to Layer and down to Merge Visible. So it's all merged into one pixel layer. And you can then manipulate this though. You can add some effects. You can also recolor it. I hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.